Very honest with you, it's been a while since I've come into this area, and this is behind the burial ground in that entering the VOA area. I'm not sure what the entire zone is called, but these are some terrible streets, and I feel like this area has been ignored. But anyway, this episode is not about the bad streets. It is about, in case we didn't see it, that forgotten street, right? All right, so the ground area, or the used to be road, the area, right? So you get the idea of what's going on. So we're in the VOA area, and this is another episode of In Case We Didn't See It, right? And behind me is just what used to be a road some years ago and has just been totally ignored, right? Or totally forgotten, that's the word. And so the bushes have overgrown and the road has totally disappeared, right? And so this road goes all the way to the Belosha area, to the seaside area. I think it's a very important pathway. I think it needs to be revisited, it needs to be opened up again so people can traffic in the area. And of course it'll serve as a part of the town expansion later on, right? So definitely this road needs to be revisited and fixed up back. So I'm gonna give you guys some aerial footage too if I can. All right, so some people might not believe it, but right here used to be a road, right? I remember we used to be able to move from the location where we took off just now with the drone, all the way to the seaside at Belosha. So think of how many people this road can benefit, and it's being trafficked because of the little what we call picado that's there, right? The little pedestrian walkway that's there. So people are walking in the area, right? So I am still kind of shocked that residents have not complained about this road, right? And have not shown how necessary it is. I saw some fishermen in the area pushing wheelbarrow, and I could see why they're pushing wheelbarrow now. It's because the road itself is not accessible by vehicle. But we have a lot of fishermen in the area who use the Belosha area to launch their boat and to dock in their boat, right? So it would be nice to have this road back up and running. Still can't believe there was a road here. It's just so can't believe they allowed it to overgrow this much. And it's a road to the that gives you access to the sea, which in any other municipality or any other area, a road giving access to the sea is very important, right? So it's kind of weird, but listen, as a people, we need to let people know that we want back this road, and we need to find a way to see if we can get it all fixed up back, right? And that leads direct to the water edge. Ooh, nice though, beautiful view.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, summer and fireside. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Release for you, release for me, release. A nice city with the country. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. And if you know so you got a belly kid in your cup. Release for you, release for me. Yo, welcome to Belize, the trees, the breeze, the beautiful keys, where the sun hotter than 90 degrees. Lyrics so cool, woulda make a nigga freeze. Hot sexy gal fi bite up and squeeze. When I wanna reach foreign, it a spread like disease. R.I.P. to the rhythm deceased. We drink and party and rave from the land of the free to the home of the brave. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. A little nose so you got a belly kid in your cup. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country.
I'm from the city where it isn't always summer. Rough, make you have to hit the streets with your thumb. 5 years we've been working for a come up, but we stay all year. Finding time to party with my people way into the sun up. Yeah, so call the drama, yeah. Gal, let me see you shake it, cause some trouble. Let's order a double shot of tequila, illa. Party with me in a villa. Ain't nobody realer than I, yeah. Got 'em, hit 'em with a New York flow. Full of legends I know you all know. But I just stepped inside the room full of dudes to make a tune. Till earlier this week it was new unknown. From the city to the capital, the Punta Gorda. All the views are gorgeous. Took a while but money had me stalling. I think I found my calling. My heart lies where the islands lie. Cold world but this the fireside.
The passion, the rhythm, the music. The skies and the water, the blue is. Talking the tropical cutie. But truly I feel blessed, yeah. Take it a waterfall. From the cliffs we be jumping off. Fried jack with some hot tomato. Me, I guess, and tonight, yeah.
Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Everybody chill and everybody drink
So
up.
apparently the road also continues here, and again that road has been totally clogged up, and so in order to get to these residential area to the back here, I guess you have to foot it, no? So I have to try to open up back these roads, guys. Let's get it done.
Living my life, do it happily. Boom! Man, I love this land. He's so precious with the whitest sand. Foreigners come just to get a tan. Man, I'm flipping off cliffs with the GoPro cam. Belize me said, I got the crowd to chant. Because it misses to make me clear the land. Breadfruit I'm fishing on me frying pan. Guatemala can't rule cause I hold my stance. All year summer, fireside. This all chance if you down to ride. Life here sweeter than the lemon pie. Man, we coming up slow like a bright sunrise. Yo.
Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. A little nose so you got a belly kid in your cup. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country. Everybody chill and everybody drink up. A little nose so you got a belly kid in your cup. Belize, may you, Belize, to me, Belize, a nice pretty country.
Hey yo, for all of the single and independent ladies, we go to the work for one. Come on, hey socks, I dig it day day, so dig it day day, socks, I dig it day day, so dig it day day. She said she work on a Monday, hey, I should work on a Tuesday, I should work on a Wednesday, hey, cause she even work on Thursdays. Cause she even work on Fridays. Hey, cause she work for everything she want. Cause she work for everything she need. Cause she work for everything she got. And she work for everything she want. Cause she work for everything she want.
I swear to you, Punta Gorda is one of the most beautiful places on planet Earth that I've seen. But we need a lot of work. We have a lot of work to do in our town. We need to make sure that a lot of these streets are up and accessible. Especially for people in that area, and I know this episode particularly talks about some of the streets that have been forgotten. This is just one of them. There are several that I can list, and of course I'll make the visits to those areas so I can show you guys. And again, this is called, in case we didn't see it, right? And I'm saying we, not you, we, because we're one community, and so we have to continue to work together to try to enhance our municipality. That is the aim of the show. This show is to ensure that, you know what, the people who need to see this will see it. It's there on the internet now. So if you didn't see it, now you saw it. We need to get that road fixed.